Hey guys, it's Steve. It is Monday, March 15th, 2021, and we're supposed to have a snowstorm. So I'll do a snowstorm video. Uh, the weather's been warm for a while, the past couple weeks, but it's decided to start snowing again. Hopefully this isn't as severe as the last storm video I did, but this should just show you what's to come. It's already starting to snow right now. Yeah, I think it's gonna be snowing probably well into the afternoon. Looks like some parts looks like it would end, but then it looks like it's gonna more would develop. Now the pink is I think rain and snow. The green is just rain, and the blue is just snow. The hell, it just randomly zoomed out. Alright, so that's all I'm gonna record of the preview, and so yeah, enjoy the snow. Alright guys, as you can see, it's somewhat starting to snow. It is snowing. It's a little windy. Yeah, it's been pretty windy as hell today. But yeah. Anyways, I'll record more. I'll keep you updated. Yep. Continues to snow. It's now snowing harder. The snow basically slowed down for a while, but now it's back up or heavy again. Mail truck across the street. Yeah, it's all foggy. Some more snow on the ground. Yep. Alright. An update on the snowstorm. Step out for a little bit. Yeah. These are big snowflakes. Alright, I'm sorry guys, the memory got full. Stupid iOS storage, stupid iOS update. I'll do that later. Yeah, look at all this snow. Yeah. Oh crap. It's not quite deep yet, but it's basically just record. Yeah. Fucking trucks. Look in the street. And yeah. Okay, I don't want hope my neighbors don't see me filming. They may think I'm filming their cars when I'm not trying to, but yeah. There's the snow. And yeah, I will keep you guys updated. Alright. Continues to snow. Alright, I think the snowstorm is almost over. Yep, that's the snow we have. It's not too big of a snowstorm. Now, in fact, I don't even know if this is snow or if this is sleet now. I don't know if you can even see it falling out of the sky. Yeah, I had the plumbers just came over. They just left. They had to fix the drain of my sink because it was clogged. Which it's that truck over there that says United. You may even see them in a minute. But yeah, I think there were a couple snow plowers too, but oh, there's the plumbers over there. Those guys that are walking, if those are the plumbers. They're heading into that plumbing truck. Yeah. I will record a little bit more, but I saw on the weather app there's not that much more coming. Well, maybe there will, maybe more will develop. But yeah. So I will keep you guys updated. Probably one more update. Alright, for the most part we're done with this snowstorm. Not a huge snowstorm, just a really small one. Which is good, you know, so you know, not like the last couple snowstorm videos I did, where it was like a lot. But this is just a little. All we basically have, you can still see some grass parts. I did not get the snow plowers though, unfortunately, because they came a few times. In fact, I think some of it's kind of melting. It's just slushy over there. But yeah, see, the houses have snow on it. I think this snow will probably melt fast. So yeah. But anyways, this is the snowstorm video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just a small little snowstorm. So yeah, I'll do more videos, guys. Rants, vlogs, reviews, many other types of videos. So bye, guys. Have a good one.